Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset progress in Duolingo app. Now let's say I'm learning French and I want to start it from the beginning, which means I need to remove this course and re-add it again if I want to do that. Or the second option, just delete my account. So for that, I need to click on profile at the bottom of my screen, my profile picture. And then I need to click on the setting at the top right. Then click on where it says courses. From inside courses, it's going to show me all the courses I have. Now since I want to reset progress on French, I need to click on minus right beside French, click on remove. Once I do that, my French language will be removed from this account. Once French language is removed, what I need to do is go back. Once I go back, I need to click on done at the top right. Now I need to click on the home icon at the bottom left of the screen and click on the flag icon at the top left of the screen. From over here, I need to click on courses and find the course. So I want to relearn French again from the beginning. I need to click on French and click on continue. Once I do that, French will be added and I can start learning it again from the beginning. So I hope you understand how you guys can reset progress in Duolingo app. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video.